Hi, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird, you okay? How are you feeling?
No, not too good, Alan. Yeah, I've got all these feelings, you know?
Are they big feelings, like
Yeah.
sad or
Yeah.
angry or
Yeah.
confused,
Yes.
anxious?
Yes, it's all those feelings, and they're all mixed together, and I don't know what to do.
I understand. These big feelings are okay, especially when hard things happen.
Oh,
Big Bird, you know what I like to do to feel calm? I go to my safe place.
your safe place?
That's right. It is a place in my imagination where I go to feel peaceful.
Peaceful. That sounds nice, Alan.
Oh, it is. Hey, would you like to imagine your safe place, Big Bird?
Yeah, I would, but I don't know how.
All right. Just use your imagination, all right? You want to try?
Okay.
Okay, good. First, we're going to breathe deep, all right? Inhale. And let it out slowly. Good. Now, picture yourself in a place where you feel calm and comfortable, right? You can look any way you want it to. What are you imagining?
I'm in my nest. Well, that's where I feel safest.
Good. What would you like to have with you in your nest?
I'd have my favorite bear, Radar.
Good. What else do you see?
Well, it's a beautiful day, and the warm sun feels good on my feathers.
Nice. Do you hear anything?
Oh, a little birdie singing a happy song. And I hear a soft breeze.
Do you smell anything?
Oh, yeah. Birdseed cookies, fresh out of my Granny Bird's oven.
Oh. Tell me about your Granny Bird.
Oh, I love her a lot. She's sweet, and she's caring, and she made my favorite blanket. Just thinking of Granny Bird always makes me happy.
Big Bird, how are you feeling now?
Well, I feel safe and much calmer inside. Thank you, Alan. That really helped.
I'm glad. And you know, you can visit your safe place anytime you need to. It's always there for you. And guess what?
What?
So am I.